All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for being on Electrica. I really appreciate that. Okay, now this is my tool bag. So I just wanted to show you what it contains, what I use on my day-to-day work. So it's quite a big bag. You can't imagine how much tools you can, put in here. So let's go through it quickly, okay? So we have got some, side pockets, okay? So first of all, when I'm moving, especially when I'm equipping my vehicle, I'll have my helmet. Fits pretty well, okay? I don't leave this radar here. This guy here helped me to, to reach where my 10 legs can't reach, okay? So let me show you a bit of things that I do carry here. So the first thing, I, carry my laptop because I deal mostly with generators. So we do a little bit of, configuration, so you don't want to leave your PC out, okay? All right. So some more accessories for PC. I have a LAN cable and a USB to LAN converter because the laptop doesn't have an Ethernet port, okay? Of course, my overall, okay? This is an anti-static, okay? Meaning that you're protected. You can't be electrocuted, all right? Something which is very essential. Okay, now, mostly as a technician, there are several things that you're going to need, okay? But of course, there are those kind of tools that you can't live without. Now, the first thing is, let me take this one off. This is a drill. It's a multi-purpose drill. It's a cordless, okay? Portable. So you can use it to drill, both wall and, steel. You can also use it to drive screws, okay? So it's multi-purpose, okay? So I have multimeters. So I have like 4, okay? I have like 4 multimeters. So this is, which brand is this? Unit T, okay? So this is a multimeter. It's simple, cheap, not expensive. It can measure AC, through crimping up to 1,000 volts, all right? This doesn't have DC, so it only measures AC, the cramp, okay? All right. So I have got another multimeter here. This is also a cramp, okay? This is also a cramp, a very good brand. This one will measure for you AC, DC. So 1,000 volts, 1,000 amps AC DC, 400 amps AC DC using the cramp, okay? Then you have your voltage, you can measure up to 400, all right? So it's vital to have a good multimeter right there. Then I have also this. This is a very tiny and mobile multimeter, okay? Now, this can also measure DC, AC to DC, okay? Unfortunately, this one measures up to 100 amps, but you see, it is portable, so you can supplement with this. So in most cases, this is the one that I use most, okay? Reason being, because when you're using it, you can hook one lead here, and then you can use one hand. So you have one hand here, and then this one can help you to hold the lead. Okay, so it's very handy. It also comes with alligator probes. Okay, so in case you need to do that. Okay, then I also have got this is called Zoe. Most people, you've seen this. This doubles as an oscilloscope stroke multimeter. Okay, so if you need to use it in an oscilloscope mode, you can go ahead and use it. It also has a generator. Okay, so you can use it to do all those kind of stuff. You can also use it as a digital multimeter. It's a really, really, really good meter. Okay, so you have got probes here, both for multimeter and for oscilloscope. It is a 2-channel oscilloscope. Okay, then because I deal with machines, so we do clean, so I need a blower. So this is a blower. Okay, it's not cordless, just connect a cable here and then use it to do the job. Okay, let me put it here. All right, now I have got hot air, okay, to shrink because I have some heat shrinks. So usually when I'm doing that, you need this because you need to do a very good job. Okay, so this is a hot air gun, so you use it to shrink. Okay, all right, now I use a bit of Allen key, so I have a lot of Allen key sets. Okay, so in different types and sizes. So these really do helps a lot. Okay, the same bag, I have a pair of pliers. Okay, I've got some side cutters, long nose plier. This is an adjustable spanner right here. Then I have a lot of screwdrivers, okay, in different sizes, and they are insulated screwdrivers. Avoid using non-insulated screwdrivers, much as I still carry some, like this one here, but you know what I'm saying, okay? So a lot of screwdrivers can save you, but also you're going to have these short screwdrivers because they can be really handy, okay? You need to have all screwdrivers in different sizes, all right? Hammer. Who doesn't want a hammer? So in the same bag, I have got a hacksaw blade. You need it. You may use it to cut a wire, okay? So I have this guy here. I got this on AliExpress. So this, let me just bring it a little bit closer, okay? So this is a set of interchangeable pliers. So for instance, so you see, it's a plier. So you have got multiple, you can detach this, and then you put, this is a wire cutter, okay, or wire stripper. Okay, you can change it to a wire stripper, or you can attach, if you want to cut a bigger size of wire, you can use this one. So it's really a handy tool which you may need to have. Very handy. This is a knife, and I've also got a lot of blades, okay? So these are blades, you can easily interchange, okay? Now, this is a crimping tool. Let me show you some. So this is a crimping tool that comes with detachable teethers, so that you can use it for different sizes of cables. I mean lugs, and different sizes of lugs. Okay. So if you have this, you can detach. You can just, you know, touch it like that, and then this side also, and then you can. Okay. I think, yeah. Let me see. Now, this is a RJ45 crimping tool. So we do a little bit of networking when you want to run your Ethernet, especially maybe from a generator controller to a module, you know, kind of stuff. So there is no way you're going to leave this one out. You need something like this, okay? Definitely, you need a tape measure, okay? Yeah. This is both a wire cutter and stripper. You need that too. Let me see. This is a side clip. Dealing in some stuff, in most cases, so you need a side clip. Okay. I didn't show you. Now, this a set of spanners. Okay. These are a set of spanners. I have more spanners, which I have not shown here, but these are a set of spanners. All right. So that is what contains in this bag, and those are tools that I usually use on day-to-day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also share. Okay? So you can check out my blog posts at the electrica.com/blogs if you're interested. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm out.